Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your plan allows tethering and that you have ample data. Carriers sometimes block this. Once done, plug the phone into power or ensure battery is above 50% to avoid shutdowns. Next, open hotspot settings and set a clear SSID and a strong password. Pick 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Make sure to name it so you can identify it on client devices, and keep the hotspot screen accessible while you continue. Now connect devices. Turn on the hotspot and pair one device via Wi-Fi or plug in via USB for a stable link. On each client, select the SSID and enter the password, then check that an IP address and DNS are assigned. This confirms routing. If your phone supports it, set the maximum number of clients and enable any quality of service or data saver settings to prioritize essential traffic. For advanced stability, switch the AP band if clients struggle to maintain a link. Finish by testing web access and running a quick speed check to validate throughput. Make sure latency and download speeds meet needs. Once satisfied, close heavy background apps, limit client count, and monitor data usage to avoid unexpected caps. If connectivity is flaky, first toggle the hotspot off and on. If that fails, reboot the phone, reset network settings, or switch to USB tethering for reliability. These steps fix most issues caused by IP conflicts or carrier restrictions and restore a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.